Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I first want to start off by saying two things. If you hear something in the background, that is my AC because we have gotten to the point in New York where it is really hot and it's like only 80 right now and my upstairs is like an inferno. So I have my AC in my other room and I have the door open so that the AC can come in here. So if you do hear like a little noise, that's that. And if I do look like a little glowy, that's not a setting spray, that is sweat. So I just wanted to throw those two things out there. But anyways, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I want to start off by saying that next to makeup and like skincare, perfume has got to be one of my most favorite things and one of the most important things, like next to makeup. Seriously, if I go out of the house without makeup, I 1015% like definitely have perfume on. That is one thing, no matter where I'm going, what I'm doing, I always make sure I have some form of perfume on. Like I hate leaving the house without perfume. I feel like if you can leave a good scent behind and people compliment you, I just feel like that says a lot about you. Like I just feel like we need to smell nice, you know? So I wanted to discuss my top 5 high-end expensive perfumes that I love, that I swear by. I wanted to discuss them with you guys. So if you guys love perfume just as much as I do, then let's get into the video. Looking at this collection in front of me, it's really funny because I only have 2 brands to talk about, but I have 5 different perfumes. I have 3 from one, 2 from another. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the brand that only has 2. So I'm going to start off with this one. I don't have the full size in this because I just haven't purchased it yet. This is from YSL. This is their newer scent. I think this came out this year. This is in the scent Libre, or it came out late last year, something like that. I have the travel size because when I went to Florida back in January, I purchased this to bring with me because I didn't want to bring a full size perfume bottle. And you guys, first of all, this reminds me of Florida. Don't you love that about scents? Like you can smell a certain scent and it just kind of like brings you back. I remember when me and my boyfriend first started talking, this is like off topic, I had this one perfume that I loved and I wore it every single day towards like the beginning of when him and I first started to talk and started to date and like that honeymoon phase. So I stopped using it like during that time so that I could always like smell it and like be brought back to that time. And I recently smelled it the other day and I think it's expired. It's like 5.5 years old, so I definitely think it's like way expired, but I mean I still was able to smell it a little bit and it brought me all the way back to 5 years ago, which is insane. So that's how I feel about this scent. This scent brought me all the way back to when I was in Florida back in January. And you guys, the one thing with YSL I do want to say, they make more like sexy, like seductive scents, you know what I mean? Like if you're somebody that likes like sexier scents, I feel like YSL really does a good job with that. Like these are not, this, I mean, I did wear it during the day and I wore it every single day that I was there because it was the only perfume that I had with me. But I wore it day and night, but I definitely feel like this is for sure more like a nighttime perfume. You can wear it during the day. Like I said, I did wear it at night, but it just smells, it smells like no other perfume that I have. Like I'll admit some of my perfumes, like they do smell very similar, but this one smells nothing like any other perfume that I own and I love it. It was just, it smelled so good and it lasted all day. I would get like little whiffs every now and then of the perfume and I'd be like, oh, like thank God. Like don't you love that when like it's been a long day and you just kind of get a whiff for yourself and you're like, I still smell that perfume and it still smells good, you know what I mean? So I love that. And this little travel size one was like $29, so it wasn't even that expensive, and I legit wore this every single day for like 7-8 days straight. Like, and I still have this much left. I haven't worn it since I got back from Florida just because it's such like a special scent to me, because it just reminds me of when I was there and I just want to keep that memory, you know what I mean? But this scent is so good. I know that right now a lot of us can't go to malls and smell scents, but trust me, if you like stronger but not too strong but like sexier scent, like this is for sure your scent. I love this perfume. I have to purchase the full size, I just haven't yet, but that is for sure like in my top 5 just because of how good it smells. So up next is, I feel like this is a cult favorite, or at least it used to be a few years ago. I remember when I first smelled this perfume, I was like like I need that perfume. I need it, like I need it now. And I remember I came home and I ordered it right off of like I think Sephora or Macy's or something like that, but I ordered it right away. This is another one by YSL. This is Black Opium. Now I do feel like this has to be an acquired scent. I have seen a lot of people say that they don't like this scent, and I have seen a lot of people say that it's like their signature scent, like their go-to scent. Me, I love this for a night out, like for sure. If I'm going on like a date with my boyfriend, or if I'm just going out to like a late dinner, or like we're gonna just hang out at night, or whatever it is we're gonna do, this is the perfume that I wear. This is just like my signature nighttime scent. This just reminds me of every single time that I've gone out, whether it's to a bar, to a club, like I go there often, but whenever I've gone out at night, this is the scent that I have worn. I will say with this scent though, you do have to be careful because you can overdo it. So if you do spray too much, I have a heavy hand when it comes to perfume. I'm just like, like as if I didn't shower, but I do have like a heavy hand when it comes to perfume. And this can be really overbearing. Like there was one time I wore it and I think I did like a little too much. My boyfriend was like, you smell good, but you smell like strong. And I was like, oh damn, I overdid it. But you can like easily overdo it with this perfume. I definitely think 3 sprays is more than enough. You shouldn't need more than that. They are like really strong scents, and this one does last too. This one lasts so long. Like if I spray it on a piece of clothing and then like I just hang that clothing back up or whatever I do and I smell it, I can still smell this perfume. That's how freaking strong this perfume is. This is for sure my going out perfume. I love this perfume. I have had it for like 4 years though, and I have like a decent amount left. I love this perfume. I haven't seen anybody talk about it in a really long time, but this is another like sexy scent, like the Libre one. These are for sure like sexy night out scents, like 1010%. So if you like to be like a little seductive and a little mysterious, those are for you. So now I've come to realize that for higher end cosmetics and for higher end perfumes, DIOR has my heart. When it comes to their makeup, I love their makeup. Everything I try from them, I wind up loving. Their perfumes, I am obsessed with. So the next 3 perfumes are all from DIOR. And I am sorry if you guys like, oh, you're only talking about 2 brands, but guys, I'm letting you in on the top 5 perfumes. I have a bunch of perfumes. You guys have seen my perfume collection. Oh my God. This just fell and I thought it broke. Oh my God. But you guys have seen my perfume collection like a year ago. It's grown. I can show you guys an updated one, but that would be boring. So anyways, I am going to talk about my top 3 from DIOR. So starting with Misty DIOR Blooming Bouquet. This one I feel like is another Black Opium. Like I feel like so many people love this perfume. I definitely feel like it was a cult favorite, or it definitely still is. I feel like a lot of people still really love this scent. You guys, this is by far, this just reminds me of spring. I've said this before in a few of my videos, but this scent is just like spring and daytime. Like this is the type of scent that you wear when you're going on like a daytime brunch, or you're going to breakfast, or you're going to lunch, or you're just doing something during the day, or it's like Easter Sunday. Like this is that scent. For sure, this could be like an everyday scent, like 1000%. But I just feel like, to me, this is more of like a daytime, like spring day, just scent. I love this scent. It is very powdery, not too powdery, but it does have like a powdery scent to it. I feel like most Misty DIOR perfumes do. But this one is very faint and just very like soft and sweet. So like the Black Opium one is very like mysterious and seductive. This one is like, oh, like she's soft, she's sweet, like she's cute. You know what I mean? Like I just love this scent. And even though this isn't the perfume one, this is just like the toilette, this lasts a really long time. Like I can spray it on myself and still smell it hours later. And like I said before, that is a plus to me in my book. It isn't as strong as Black Opium, but that's because it is more of like a softer scent. But you guys, if you like sweet, I wouldn't even say sweet, I would just say it's like a softer scent. If you like softer scents, this is your girl. Up next, I definitely feel like this perfume is more like mature, and I feel like you have to have like an acquired scent for it. Like I feel like this one, not everybody's gonna love, but I feel like a lot of people will love it for sure. You just have to get used to it. Sorry that my perfume bottles are a little like dusty. I keep some of them on display, so they do look a little dusty, so I do apologize. But this is DIOR JADORE. You guys, This scent makes me so happy. This one reminds me of like holidays. Like this just reminds me of like Christmas Day or like New Year's Eve or like Thanksgiving. Like this is what this reminds me of. I don't only wear it on those occasions. I do wear it for like a night out, like I would the Black Opium one. This one is for sure stronger than the Misty or Blooming Bouquet. So this is like daytime, this is like midday to nighttime. But I mean, you can wear them whatever time of day you want. But I'm just describing them like that so you guys have like a better understanding of what they smell like. I have a hair stuck to my lip gloss. Oh my god, I hate that. But yeah, this is definitely more like a midday to nighttime perfume. This one is really, really strong. So if you're somebody that's sensitive to smells, I wouldn't recommend this one for you just because it is a stronger one and it is a more mature scent. So it's not something like if you're like 16, 17, whatever, that you're going to want to wear. You might want to wear the Blooming Bouquet one because it is softer. This is a lot more mature. I mean, wear whatever perfume you want at whatever age you want. I'm just saying to help you guys understand it a little bit better. This is for sure more of a mature scent, but this one is a beautiful scent. Like it brings me so much joy every time I smell it. I'm like, oh my god, it's so good. I just finished I had like another bottle. I've had this bottle for like 2 years because I don't know, I just purchased it during like the Macy one. Like, oh my god, I got like dust in my throat. I purchased this like 2 years ago during like a Macy's sale. I had like a tickle in my throat. Ugh. But yeah, I purchased this one like 2 years ago during the Macy's like friends and family sale, whatever big sale they have. Because I got a smaller one for Christmas and I immediately fell in love with it. I was like, I need a bigger one. So I just finished that one and I do have this one as a backup. This is, I don't even know what size this is. What size is it? It is, 3.4. So it is a pretty big size. It's so good. Like I said, it is more of a mature scent, and I do feel like if you are sensitive to scents, you may not like that. It's time for my top scents. This scent you can definitely wear like morning, day, night, all day long. Like this is just that scent to me. This is Misty DIOR, the I USE Perfume. So this is just called Misty DIOR. So the other one that I showed you was Misty DIOR Blooming Bouquet. This one is just Miss DIOR. So you can see that they are different. One, let me show you. This one is more pink, the Blooming Bouquet one, and then this one has more of a orange look to it. This is what it looks like. But this perfume, if I had to pick one perfume out of all of them, this would for sure be it. This is my favorite. This smells very powdery. So if you're somebody that doesn't like powdery scents, you are not going to like this one. This one smells like baby powder with like a hint of fragrance. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but every time I wear this perfume, I get so many compliments on it. Everybody's always like, what perfume is that? What perfume is that? What are you wearing? You smell so good. What is that? And this one, I think out of all these perfume, lasts the freaking longest, you guys. I have this big size, and then I have like a little baby one because I got this in like a set. And the baby one is just one of those ones that you can just like dab, like, you know what I mean? Like it's not a spritzer, it's just like one that you open and you just like kind of spot it all over your body. I don't know what they're called, but so the other one is that. So occasionally I will just use that instead of using this big one, and you guys, I will legit smell that perfume for hours, like through going outside, sweating, doing a bunch of different things. I will still smell that perfume, and this perfume, you guys, is just so good. Like I said, if I had to get rid of all my perfumes and just keep one, this would for sure be it. I think this one is the most expensive. I think this one and then JADORE are the two most expensive ones here. I think this one is like 100. I'm sure you can get it for under 100, but I think this one may be like 100. But honestly, you guys, DIOR perfumes are so worth it. I've had this one since Christmas 2015, and I use it all the time. Christmas 2015. Let that sink in real quick. I've had this one since Christmas 2018. Let that sink in. But yeah, oh, and I've had this one for like 4 years. I think I already said that. Anyways, I do believe in buying sets, especially when it comes to perfume, because my opinion, I feel like a perfume is like an investment. You're like investing in like your scent, you know what I mean? Like you're investing on how people perceive you and how you smell to everybody, and I feel like that's super, super important. So I do believe in buying these perfumes in sets if you can find them. I don't think they're always available in sets, but I think from time to time, like during certain sales or obviously during holiday, they do have them available in sets. So I do recommend buying them in sets, or you can just buy the regular perfume if you want. I like buying them in sets too, because sometimes the sets will come with like perfume, a mini perfume, and then like a lotion. Now I know a lot of people can be sensitive to lotions, but if you're somebody like me that just puts it on like your arm really, really quick, I don't usually like react to stuff like on my actual arms. Like I would never put it on like my neck or my face, never, ever, ever, never, ever. But I like to add, like, I have the JADORE lotion, then I have the Misty DIOR lotion. So when I do wear these perfumes, I do like to put it on my skin, because when you do wear a lotion and then you wear the matching perfume, it does help it last a little bit longer. But even when I don't do that with both of these perfumes, they still last a super, super long time. And the Misty DIOR one is just like my favorite scent like of life. It's just, it's my little baby. I love this scent so, so much, and from time to time I will just pick it up and just smell it, just because of how freaking good it smells. It's just, it's my fave. Hey guys, so that wraps it up for my top 5 perfumes. I will do a video on like my more affordable perfumes, because of course I don't only own like these perfumes, I do have more affordable ones. I will try to do a video of like 50 and under or something like that for you guys, in case you guys want to see that. I will try to do that for you. Let me know down below if you are interested in that. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see a more affordable perfume video, because I will for sure do that for you guys. But I am going to link all of these perfumes down below for you, so if you guys are interested in purchasing them, you can just click the link down below and you guys will be able to purchase them. If I do find sets, I will link the individual perfume and then the perfume set. If I can find it, I will definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!